I believe today they might be 2.5, 3 days old. Keeps them at a nice little 90. They're toasty all the time. And they do have to stay between 90, 95 at all times in the beginning stages, like the first couple weeks, preferably. From the safari park that came over and gave us a protocol and helped us with the formulas and brought us the incubator and kind of gave us some tips on what to look out for with them. And it's just, somebody's in here with them all day. Oh, they're the stars right now. Everyone's coming peeking in. Are those little piggies?